The Doroni H1X is set to launch by 2026 and promises to change everyday travel in a big way. With a top speed of 193 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 160 kilometers on a single charge, this flying vehicle could make traffic jams a thing of the past. It's so simple to fly that you can complete the required training in just 20 hours. Certified as airworthy by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, the H1X is already available for pre-order at $350,000. Whether it's a quick business trip or avoiding a late commute, this sleek eVTOL might soon be the new way to get around. Fast, smart, and futuristic. The ASCA A5 is a flying car that's shaping the future of travel. It's already certified by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration and is moving closer to mass production. In the works for over 7 years, it's both road-ready and air-capable. You can charge it at regular EV stations, just like a normal electric car. With space for 4 people, it has an impressive range of 402 kilometers and a top speed of 241 kilometers per hour. While there's no exact launch date yet, deliveries are expected around 2027. The price is $789,000, which also includes pilot training. If you're ready to own a piece of tomorrow's tech today, pre-orders are already open. Great news! In April, Cyclotech successfully tested its Blackbird, a scaled-down prototype, but a major milestone in aviation. It's the world's first eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, to fly using cyclorotors. These large spinning cylinders have adjustable blades that instantly adapt to airflow, unlike regular propellers that take time to generate thrust. This gives the Blackbird amazing control, even in rough weather, and lets it move in any direction. It's a big step forward in both science and tech. Cyclotech plans to release a full production model by 2035. It'll be a sleek two-seater, capable of hitting 150 kilometers per hour. Pivotal is moving fast in the world of electric air travel. Just last year, they delivered their first 5 eVTOL units to customers and sent 8 prototypes to the U.S. Air Force for testing. That's an impressive beginning. This electric aircraft cruises at 129 kilometers per hour and can fly up to 64 kilometers on a single charge. One of its coolest features? It doesn't need perfect conditions to take off. Whether it's asphalt, snow, ice, or even water, this amphibious vehicle handles it all with ease. It's built for flexibility and adventure. Starting at $190,000, the base model opens the door to a whole new way of getting around. Fast, futuristic, and fun. EH200 stand S, priced at $332,000, is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that's fully certified by the Civil Aviation Administration of China. It recently completed a successful demo flight in one of the world's most crowded cities, Shanghai. This futuristic air taxi can carry 2 passengers, fly up to 30 kilometers, and reach speeds of 130 kilometers per hour. But here's the real jaw-dropper. The EH216S was actually listed for sale on China's popular online marketplace, Taobao. That's right, flying vehicles are no longer science fiction. Suzuki and SkyDrive teamed up in 2024 to start building flying cars, and they're planning to produce 100 each year. Each one will cost about $1.5 million, definitely not cheap. But what do you get for that price? The SD-05 eVTOL can carry 3 people, fly up to 15 kilometers, and reach speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. While it's not the fastest or longest range aircraft out there, it's still an exciting step forward. The SD-05 is set to launch for private buyers next year and could also be used as an air taxi or even for emergency medical flights. This flying car may be just the beginning of a whole new way to travel. Hyundai made headlines at CES with its new flying taxi, the Supernal SA2. This sleek eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, vehicle isn't just about looks. It's fast too, reaching speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. That means it can take you from downtown to the airport quicker than you can finish a cup of coffee. It has a range of 65 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for short city or suburban trips. One of its coolest features is its modular design, allowing for future upgrades like bigger batteries, or even converting the four-seat cabin into a cargo carrier. For now, it's still a prototype, but it gives a pretty exciting glimpse into the future of urban air travel. Imagine skipping traffic and soaring above the streets. That's exactly what the Jetson 1 offers. This electric flying vehicle isn't just a fancy toy for the wealthy, it's a real working aircraft. The first production model took flight this March, and it's already turning heads. Pre-orders are open, but demand is so high, new buyers will have to wait until 2027. Still, that hasn't stopped people from lining up, even with its $128,000 price tag. Why the buzz? It weighs just 86 kilograms, flies at speeds up to 102 kilometers per hour, and gives you around 20 minutes of flight time. If the future of personal transport excites you, the Jetson 1 might just be your dream ride. Joby Aviation's S4 is getting ready to change how we travel. With over 48,000 kilometers of test flights completed and more tests planned in Dubai by mid-year, this electric air taxi is on track for certification. It can carry up to 4 passengers and reach speeds of 322 kilometers per hour with a range of 240 kilometers. Designed as a cleaner, faster alternative to driving, the S4 promises to take you across the city in style. No traffic jams, just smooth flying. Booking a ride is as easy as tapping your phone. Joby wants to make everyday air travel simple, sustainable, and accessible. The big question now: how much will the ride cost when you finally use it? Jet is a big step toward making flying taxis a reality. It's designed to help reduce traffic in cities and make air travel easier for everyone, not just for short urban trips, but also between cities. With a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour and a range of 300 kilometers on a single charge, you could sip your morning coffee in Berlin and be enjoying brunch in Hamburg shortly after. Depending on the version, the Lilium Jet can carry 2, 5, or even 7 passengers. One of the best parts? It doesn't need a fancy airport. It can take off and land on regular helipads, making it super practical. So if regular taxis just aren't cutting it anymore, the skies might be your next ride. Skyfly is a sleek, 2-seat flying vehicle designed to take you above the traffic and closer to your destination. It uses vertical takeoff and landing, VOL, like a helicopter, but with the simplicity of a small airplane. Unlike many other flying vehicles, its wings and engines don't move. This smart design keeps the weight low at just 272 kilograms. That makes it more efficient and easier to fly. In its all-electric version, it can travel up to 160 kilometers on a charge. If you go for the hybrid model, the range jumps to an impressive 482 kilometers. Volocopter is introducing 2 electric air taxis to help reduce traffic in busy cities. The first one, called Volo City, is a small flying cab built for 2 people. It's designed for short city trips, traveling up to 20 kilometers at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. The ride is quiet, clean, and designed to fly smoothly above the crowded streets below. Electric flights are getting closer every day, and the Vertical Aerospace VX4 is leading the way. Expected to be certified by the end of 2026, this electric air taxi already has over 1,400 pre-orders, proof that people are excited. The VX4 is built for comfort, speed, and efficiency. It can fly up to 161 kilometers at speeds of 240 kilometers per hour, all while keeping things quiet inside. With space for 4 passengers, it offers a smooth and peaceful ride. Perfect for chatting, enjoying the view, or simply relaxing. As the world moves toward cleaner travel, the VX4 shows that flying electric isn't just possible. Big cities will benefit from another advanced eVTOL, the Volo region. This larger aircraft is built to carry 4 passengers and can travel up to 100 kilometers, making it perfect for trips between the city and surrounding suburbs. It also flies faster than the Volo City air taxi, reaching speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour. Designed as a comfortable and efficient commuter option, the Volo region helps bridge the gap between urban centers and outlying areas, saving time, avoiding traffic, and offering a smoother travel experience. Its creators see it as a key piece of the future of urban air mobility, making everyday travel smarter and more sustainable. Meet the Wisk Cora, a sleek, next-gen air taxi aiming to change the way we travel. Unveiled to the public in 2023 at the EAA Air Venture event, this electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft is already on its 6th-generation prototype. While there's no official release date yet, its specs are impressive. Designed to carry 2 passengers, the Cora flies autonomously, no pilot needed. It cruises comfortably at 177 kilometers per hour and offers a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. With its futuristic design and self-flying capabilities, Wisk Cora represents a bold step toward the future of urban air mobility. Unlike traditional eVTOLs, it's being built from the ground up for autonomy.